Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today with a line of in-house made soap and shaving products, the Razor Emporium collection. I am so excited that this has been part of our store for about a year and a half now. We launched this at the Big Shave last year, 2019. Always want to debut something at the trade shows, and this was what we brought to the table. This is a line of products that we make right here in-house. There's no one who's contracted to make it. We bought our own equipment to make soap, our own raw ingredients, our own packaging, labels, design, everything. And we wanted to make a line of shaving soap and aftershave splash, aftershave balm that is affordable, that covers some of the most classic scents, classic fragrances out there, and also is a high quality performing product. So that if someone comes into the store or writes to us on the website and says, hey, I'm looking for a great soap, I'm just looking for that classic barbershop scent, what do you recommend? We could recommend our own line of products. So we have some classics like sandalwood, lavender, citrus. This is a blend of grapefruit, lemon, lime, orange. Old school, which is a kind of a throwback to vintage inspired, days gone by. This is something that has leather, notes of cedar wood, neroli, musk, all those kind of masculine scents. And then of course, my favorite, Barbershop. This is something that to me, it's my favorite one to use. It's got that really classic scent, like you walking into a barbershop. I don't want to get more literal than that, but it's what it is. I think every soap maker needs to have a barbershop scent out there. One of my favorite features of this line is that it's made with all natural ingredients. They're vegan. It's got coconut oil, shea butter. It's also perfumed with all essential oils. So it's just a terrific quality product. And of course, we wanted to also include a whole line of alcohol-based splashes and then non-alcohol based aftershave balm. So no matter if you like more of that home alone feel, you want that splash, or you want more of the moisturizing kind of lotion quality of a balm, which I prefer, we got you covered. The goal with this line isn't to become the next artisan soap maker on the market, the next flavor of the week, putting out a new scent every single week or every 2 weeks. Quite the opposite. The goal is to have a classic line of scents, classic line of products here that we can recommend to our customers. We can put in kits, whatever the case is. We may have another seasonal or limited edition one here and there come out, but this is the 5 we have right now. We're really excited about them, and you'll see in the coming months us to continue upon these 5 different scent profiles to include additional products like beard oils, beard balms, you know, styling waxes, all those kind of different accessories, maybe body bars. So we're going to build upon this. In fact, my soap maker today brought me a sample of a beard balm that's, I think it's a Barbershop scent. So you'll see more products like that coming out from us. And when they do, we'll cover them here on our YouTube channel. That's all I got for you today. If you like what you saw, please leave a comment. Have you tried the Razor Emporium shaving soap? You know, this is all vegan stuff, you know, made here in-house. If you've tried it, did you like it? Did you not like it? Did you hate it? Tell me in the comments below. And if you do leave a comment, you're entered into win this, the official Razor Emporium black and blue t-shirt. That's all I got. Subscribe to our channel. Share this with all of your friends on social media, and we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.